Hey guys, it's me. Today I'm just trying to do a vlog style. I had already said in my earlier videos that maybe I'll try to do some vlog for Ramadan. So today I want to actually do some Ramadan preparations. I am actually planning to do samosas today, and I'm going to actually make it using the samosa patti, not with the dough and all that, because I seriously don't know how to do that, and I've already done all the preparations for that. So today I just want to show you the cooking process, and I'll show you how to make few of the samosas, and then I'll tell you how I even freeze it for the entire month of Ramadan. So today I'm gonna do all that. Maybe next weekend I'll do some other cooking stuff, and I'll film that also, and I'll post it for my channel. So if the light is not that great, don't mind, please don't mind, because this is my first time, and there is not enough lighting for vlogging, and and don't mind if I am not looking properly at the camera, because I'm seriously confused where do I look at, because the screen on my camera is, it's very tempting to look at the screen and not the lens, so please don't mind that. And you can actually see my all the veins and everything on my face in this vlogging camera, so please don't mind. I didn't want to put any makeup for my vlog. It is just a casual vlog. So yeah, let's just start with the cooking process, because it's actually 8 p.m. I'm doing the preparations since afternoon, and then my hubby got all the groceries, so we were kind of washing everything, and it took a lot of time. So now I actually got the time to do the cooking of the samosa. So let's just start with the cooking process, and please don't mind because the lighting might not be that great. So guys, actually I just wanted to show you a few things. So I've just boiled the potatoes. I've taken about 1 kg, and then I've removed some cumin seeds, okay, and some mustard seeds and oil. So I've just prepared this green chutney. So I've used coriander, green chilies, garlic and cumin seeds, and I've added a little bit of salt, and I've made this paste. So this is going to be the main ingredient for my samosas. I don't like the samosas with red masala, I like the green one. So we'll actually cook this for a little bit, and then I'll add all the potatoes. And actually it is very simple, only you will take time to do all the preparations, to boil the potatoes, to make the samosas, but the cooking process is very simple. So I'm just going to actually put oil in my pan. So I'm just going to eyeball how much I want, maybe about 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons, because I actually need to cook the green masala. My actually gas is on medium, so that is about the oil. And then I'll just add little bit of cumin seeds, because I love the flavor of cumin seeds, and just little bit of mustard seeds as well. And just let it crackle up a little bit, and then we'll add all the masalas. Once it starts popping, you can then add the green masala. Please guys, don't mind my cooking skills, it is not that great. I'm okay with the way I cook. So anyways, now I'll add the green masala, the entire masala. And I'll cook it till the oil comes on the top, and the chutney is well cooked. So it will take a couple of minutes, so just stir it till that time. And you can add the chilies according to your taste. If you want spicy, you can obviously add a lot more, but if you want to make less spicy, then add less chilies. I haven't added any mint leaves in this, only coriander leaves. You can actually use this chutney even to dip your pakoras and your samosas. I mean, you can use this chutney as a dipping sauce, and you don't need to put the cumin seeds and the mustard seeds. Added a little bit of salt in the chutney as well as salt in the potato as well. So keep that in mind because you don't want your mixture to be very salty. Now I'm just going to add the potatoes. Honestly, it smells really nice. And I will cook the potatoes for a little more time because I want it to be very soft and not having the lumps. Cook it for few minutes. So actually I've added the rest of the masala as well, and I've added a little bit of oil, and I'm just going to add a little bit more of the potato because I've actually boiled all the potatoes together even for the kebab, so that I'll make tomorrow. And we'll just mix the masala and the potato together so that the potato becomes little bit softer. So I've just added a little bit of more salt. I'm just going to mix it up well, and our mixture is actually ready. Now I'll actually let this cool for a little bit because it is very hot, as you can see. So it will take around 15-20 minutes to cool, and then we'll make the samosas, and I'll show you how to make a couple of them as well and how to freeze it. I'll show you that also. So I'll be back in a few minutes, maybe half an hour. I'll be back after half an hour. So guys, now I'm actually going to make a paste. This is all purpose flour. I've taken around 2.5-3 tablespoons, and I'm just going to add water, and I'm going to make a paste. It shouldn't be very runny, and it shouldn't be too thick also. It should be like a medium consistency, and this will actually help to stick and fold the samosas, and I mean it will act like a glue. So I have actually used this. I'm not sure what other people use to close the samosas, so I'm just going to add water according to the thickness that I want. So this is the perfect consistency. It is not very thin, and it is not very thick. So guys, for making the samosa, I'm going to use the samosa patti from the brand Swiss. This is the only brand that I usually use. So for now, I'm going to remove this much. These are the samosa patties, and I'm just going to use 1 spoonful or maybe just this much of the filling in each samosas. So first we'll actually fold the patti like this, and then we will turn the patti like this, and then fill in the mixture, and that will actually be enough. Now I'm going to take the paste on my fingers, and I'm just going to put here so that it can be sealed properly. And now I'm actually going to fold like this, and again I'll add in mixture here, and again fold it, and if you want you can cut this part out or just fold it, so you will actually get a triangle and your samosa is actually ready. There are different techniques, but I saw this on the YouTube, so I'm just repeating the same steps again. You want to fold it properly so that the mixture doesn't come out from the sides. So guys, I'm just going to place the samosas on a plate and put it in the freezer for a couple of minutes, and I'll do this batch wise for all the samosas. I'm doing this because the samosas shouldn't stick to each other. That is why I'm just going to freeze it for a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to put these just in a batch of, 10 or 12, and I'm just going to put this in the freezer. So now I'm just going to freeze it for a couple of minutes, maybe just 5 or 10 minutes, and then later on I'll do second and third batch. Now I've actually removed it from the freezer. It's been like around 20 minutes. Now it is actually little bit crispy. Now I'll actually place it one by one in the Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to put all in the Ziploc bag and then freeze it in the freezer. Now I'm just going to close it, then place it in the freezer. Now I'll remove it whenever I want to actually fry it. So now it's all done. Hi guys, it's actually the 4th day, so actually I didn't get time because I was not feeling a little bit well. So I just, as I showed you, I did the samosas, I even freezed it, and I actually didn't make in the kebabs. So but I'm not sure when I'm gonna make it because I have to make a lot of videos for Ramadan as well, because I've thought and planned that I'm gonna film and put videos, upload videos on Instagram, eye looks specifically for every day. So maybe 30 eye looks for Ramadan, so I have to do that also, and I have to do other things as well, and I had to edit other videos also for my YouTube channel. So I was actually busy. I'll just end the video here, and actually today is the 4th day. Today is actually Monday, so I have to actually edit this video and maybe upload it tomorrow or for Wednesday, I'm not sure. But I just wanted to end here, and maybe let's see if this vlog goes well. I'll try and do more of this, and I'll continue doing it maybe once a week for my channel, because now we are actually at home. So maybe I'll do more of this, inshallah. So yes, I just want to say that if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below whether you enjoyed or not. Honestly guys, I'm not that great at cooking. I'm not even interested in cooking, but it's like me and my hubby are alone here, so we have to do all the preparations and everything by ourselves. When I was not here, when I was not married, I never did any cooking, I never freezed any stuff. My family never did all this. We used to make things every day, but we both are just here alone, so it's better to make few things and just freeze it in the freezer, so later on there is no hurry, and later on there is no problem to cook every day. So, and we are actually busy with other things as well, so I don't want to waste my whole day just cooking, and I seriously don't like cooking, and don't come for my cooking skills and all that, because I'm seriously not interested. I just do this because I don't want to make things every day for Ramadan, and not every day we eat fried things. We make different things. We make sandwiches, we make other things as well, so we don't just eat fried foods. So yes, I just wanted to put that out. But later on I'll just make a few more things, and maybe surely I'll actually vlog that stuff as well. And the light is better here because I'm in my kitchen and the lighting is much better, but outside it is very dull, and I mean it's not that great. I mean there is no sunlight, but it is not even dusty, but it is very gloomy and dull outside. So I'm not sure what's wrong with the weather. But anyways guys, please, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Maybe I'll do more of this, and actually I have to see all the footage whether it is really good or not, but still I'll post it. My hubby said just post it and start vlogging whatever you do. So maybe I'll surely do that, because people love seeing and watching vlogs. Even I like that, so maybe I'll try and do that. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and yes, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.